There's a lot to know and a lot to like about Jim Dodge. Married with 2 children, Jim Dodge is a Republican who can win. Jim Dodge has served his country as a sergeant in the Illinois National Guard. Jim Dodge has served his party as a Reagan volunteer, as vice chair of a young Republican organization, as Orland Township committeeman. Jim Dodge serves his community. He's won 6 straight village elections, beginning when he was just 26 years old. Jim Dodge serves suburban taxpayers as a director of Metra, which one National Trade magazine wrote, has done the job in managing its funds in a very responsible manner. Combine all this with the fact that Jim Dodge graduated with honors from DePaul University, earned an MBA from the University of Chicago, and serves as a vice president of the Nielsen Corporation, a worldwide information technology consulting firm that employs 30,000 people. You know he has the qualifications to be a successful comptroller for the taxpayers of Illinois. The choice is clear. We can vote for a blast from the past or begin a new winning chapter for Illinois Republicans. Vote Jim Dodge for Illinois Comptroller.